friends, this video is about easy way to make home remedy cough syrup for your kids. A cough is one of the most common elements that affect children. A cough makes kids very uncomfortable and cranky. It is very unhappy for parents to see their kids' discomfort. As a parent, you may feel skeptical about giving medicine to your kid because several over-the-counter medicine may not be safe for your kid. Therefore, you may try homemade cough syrup for your children. The homemade cough syrup are not only safe for your kid, but they are also very easy to make. You may try any homemade cough syrup recipe from these following recipes. First one is honey and lemon cough syrup. Honey and lemon is very good combination for warding off a cough in children. Honey is a power packet with antibacterial properties, and it is also good source of calcium, iron, magnesium and potassium. Lemon on the other hand is the rich source of vitamin C. The ample amount of vitamin C in lemon help to keeping the immune system healthy. Both the ingredients in this cough syrup are very effective in providing relief from a cough. Ingredient: 1/4 cup of honey and 1 cup and half teaspoon lemon juice and 2 to 3 teaspoon warm water. How do you make it? Keep the ingredients at the room temperature. Mix honey and lemon juice in a glass and warm water to mixture to get desired syrup-like consistency. Store the contents sterile glass jar. You can administer 1 tablespoon of homemade cough medicine to your kid 3 to 4 times a day as soon as you register symptoms of a cold. Second number is milk and honey. Milk and honey together work as an effective remedy to cure a cough in children. The soothing properties of honey along with nourished properties of milk work really well in curing cough in kids. This syrup will not only provide relief from a cough, but it will also help in easing a running nose. Both these ingredients are easily available at home, and you may prepare this home remedy cough suppressant for children as soon as you establish the first sign of a cough. Ingredients: 1 cup of warm milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/8 spoon or a pinch of turmeric powder. This is optional. If you want to use, you can. How do you will make it? Take milk in a heavy bottom pan and bring it to boil. After the boils, take the pan off the flame. Once the milk get warm, add honey and turmeric powder to milk and mix well. You may give to your kid as effective cough remedies anytime during the day. Third number is anise seed. Anise seed and honey syrup. Anise seed are well known for its healing properties. It's used for curing upper respiratory tract infection such as asthma, bronchitis, and it is beneficial in battling cough in children. Anise seed and honey are very effective in treating symptoms of cough and cold in children. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon anise seed, 2 cup of honey and 1.5 cup of water. How do you make it? Take anise seed and crush them. Boil water in a pan. Once they start boiling, add the crushed anise seed in water and boil it till it reduces to 1 cup. Turn off the flame. Add honey to the mixture. Once the mixture cool down, store it in a sterile glass container. Give 1 teaspoon of to your kid 3 to 4 times a day. Honey and ginger cough syrup. Ginger is the anti-inflammatory, has medicinal properties too. Honey is loaded with antibacterial properties. Together, both these ingredients work wonder fight cough in children. These easily available household ingredients can be used to make cough syrup for children. Ingredients: 1 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of ginger, or you able to use half cup of grated ginger. half fresh lemon juice, 1 cup of water. How do you make it? Take a heavy bottom saucepan and put water, lemon juice and ginger in it. Bring it mixture to boil. Then simmer it 5 to 6 minutes. Take the mixture off the flame and let it cool. Once the mixture cool down, strain it. Add honey to mixture and mix well. Store the content in glass jar in the refrigerator. You may give half or 1 teaspoon of this cough syrup to your kid 3 to 4 times a day. Fifth number is mint and ginger cough syrup. This is excellent home cough syrup for infant since the honey should not be administered to baby who are less than 1 year of age. Rather, it is one of the forbidden food for infant. This cough syrup includes mint, which is loaded with menthol and also antibacterial properties. Ingredient: 1 teaspoon chopped fresh mint leaf and 2 teaspoons chopped or grated ginger. 4 cup of water. How to make it? Take water in a pan. Add ginger and mint leaf in the water. Boil the water. Let it simmer over the flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Once the water reduces, take it off flame. Strain the water and refrigerate the contents. Bring the syrup to room temperature before giving to your baby. You may give 1 teaspoon of this syrup to your baby 2 to 3 times a day. Sixth number is onion, garlic and honey cough syrup. The antibacterial properties of ginger and antimicrobial properties of garlic. Garlic and ginger can be combined to make potent cough syrup for the kids. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic, 1 onion, half cup of honey, 1 cup of water. Take water and honey and mix well. Crush the garlic clove, chop the onion and garlic to the honey mixture. Strain all the ingredients well and cover them. Let the mixture sit overnight. Strain the content, refrigerate them. You may give 1 teaspoon of syrup to your kid at the onset of a cough. These all home remedies are very effective. This homemade cough syrup is very effective to treat your kids. However, if you notice your kid condition not improve further, you should seek immediate medical help. Sometimes child may be allergic to certain ingredients. Therefore, it is recommended to consult your doctor before administer any homemade cough syrup to your kid. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and on the bell icon for my new videos.